I cannot help you with an ATM business if you don't do this one thing. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? It's going to be different for each person, right? Some people want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Some people want to supplement their retirement. Some people, this is their retirement. Some people are tired of putting out a huge chunk of cash to make a decent return and instead want to put out a smaller chunk of cash to make a decent return. Some people are finally ready to start putting their money to work for them instead of always working for their money. Some people want to create or expand on their family legacy, like the wealth that they want to leave down to their children and grandchildren, right? It's going to be different for each person, and you might hit a bunch of categories, right? It's personal for you, okay? But if you want to create consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames with ATMs, and you'd like me to help you do it, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, just click that link below in the description. And please, don't forget to like this video and click that little ATM right there to subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. So this is kind of a serious video, right? People come to me all the time and they want help starting their ATM business or help with an ATM business that they've already started and they're stalled, right? And they want help, creating that consistent passive income, or they want help creating those big chunks of cash in small time frames, or both things, right? But here's the truth, guys. I can't help you with your existing ATM business or your new ATM business if you don't get out of your own way. Get out of your own way, right? That is what's stopping most of you from being where you want to be. Like, you're here and you want to be here, and you're stopping you. Up here, you're getting in your own way, right? Whether it's fear, or whether it's, oh, I'm not sure I can do it, or, oh, I don't know if the ATM business is right for me, or, oh my God, oh, to get you to be a coach is too much money, or, oh my God, what if it doesn't work for me, or what if I can't get a business owner to say yes, or, what if I fail and everybody makes fun of me and says they were right. Like, what if? Get the hell out of your head. If you just get out of your own way, just get out of your own freaking way, you would be amazed at how much you can actually accomplish in this world. Seriously, no joke. I was the same before, right? I'm not talking out my ass here, right? I've been there before. I get it, right? But I'm telling you, get out of your own way, right? Walk into that discomfort. Walk through that fear, right? It's okay to be afraid. It's okay to be afraid. Do some shit anyway. It's okay to be like, oh my God, I've never spent this much money on a coach before. I've never even got a coach before. Oh my God, it's okay to feel uncomfortable about that. Do it anyway, right? Oh my God, I've never started a business before. I don't even know what I'm doing. It's okay to be nervous. It's okay to be anxious. It's okay to be unsure. Do it anyway. Seriously, you're not going to get anywhere if you keep letting you stop you. Stop it. Seriously. Stop it. That's what I find with folks. They get in their own way. Like, you literally are stopping yourself from being successful, from having passive income, from achieving financial freedom, from doing the things that you want to do with your life, with your family, with your future. You are stopping you. Fear, anxiety, uncertainty, change, doing something you've never done before, feeling uncomfortable. I get it. I've experienced all those things. I still experience those things. But you work through them. You gotta do, if you don't do the hard shit, guess what? You'll always stay where you are. If that's where you want to stay, cool. Stop watching this video. Unsubscribe from this channel. Unsubscribe from my emails if you're on there. Stop following me on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all that stuff, right? Because you just want to stay where you are. That's cool. That's totally fine. But don't bullshit yourself, right? You get what I'm saying? Be truthful. Be honest with yourself. Know that it is going to take a little bit of fear, a little bit of hurt, a little bit of pain, a little bit of uncertainty, a little bit of being uncomfortable. Do it anyway. Please, if you do nothing else this year, do me a favor. Get out of your own way and make something happen. I promise you, if you become a student of mine, I promise you, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. You're still going to be afraid. You're still going to be nervous. You're still going to be uncertain. But it's all going to dissipate. It's all going to fade. It's all going to get easier as I help you, right? As I help you, as you become educated, as you come to me with questions and I answer them, as you think about things more, right? As you start doing and see that you can actually do the things that you were afraid you couldn't do. Right? Please just get out of your own way. Get out of your own way. There's so many amazing things that you can do and make happen in your life if you get out of your own way and just start doing it. Start doing it. Okay? I hope this made sense. If you have any questions about this, please post below. And here's the thing, guys. If you just happen to watch this video because I don't even know why, maybe you're not interested in ATM business, but you're thinking of starting something else and you still have these thoughts, it applies to you too. Okay, it applies to you too. If you want to be, I don't know, a big time real estate investor, but you're scared and you have all these thoughts, get yourself a coach, invest the money. Yes, it might be uncomfortable. And I'm not talking about $1,000 training program or something like that. Get yourself a real coach, like a real coach. A real coach will cost you some money, right? A real training program backed by a coach with experience in any field, okay? Any field is going to cost you some money. Yeah, it might be uncomfortable because you might have never done that before in your life. Right? You might have never even thought about getting a real estate investing coach or a Bitcoin investing coach. I don't know, I'm just making this stuff up. Or an Amazon, what's that called? FBA coach, right? Maybe you've never thought about getting one of these things before. You just wanted to dabble and figure it out on your own. Screw that shit. Get out of your own way. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself by getting yourself a coach in that a business, in that area that you want to exceed at, that you want to exceed and excel at, right? Get yourself an experienced coach. They're not going to be cheap, but you're not going to regret it. Investing in yourself, getting out of your own way, that's how you're going to make things happen this year and every year beyond, okay? I just had to make this video because I've seen and I've heard too many people just being unsure and just like literally holding themselves back from being successful, right? It's like this is where you are and this is the door. And on the other side of this door is success, but you're just like banging your head against the door. Like you don't want to go through it. You just want to bang your head against the door. You just want to keep banging your head against the door or backing up or, just looking around and be like, I don't know. No, banging your head against the door, saying about everything that could go wrong, saying about everything that makes you feel uncomfortable, and just staying on this side of the door. Instead, you just need to get out of your own way and bust down the door. Get some help and bust down the freaking door. Please, get out of your own way. If you get out of your own way, I promise you, I can help you be successful in the ATM business. If you're interested in real estate or Bitcoin or something else, I promise you there's somebody out there that is experienced and that is not a bullshitter and that will tell you the truth and how it is, and that can help guide you, to be successful in that endeavor as well. You got to find them. Okay, you got to find them. You got to start getting out of your own way. And then I promise you, your world will change. All right, guys, Carey Buck here. If you'd like me to help you start and grow your own profitable ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com or click the link in the description below. Please don't forget to like this video. Click that little bell right there. That little ATM right there, and hit subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell and select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to be notified. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.